When the Christmas lights glow softly and the fireplace flickers in the background, your living room becomes the heart of the holidays. But there's one space that often gets overlooked: the TV stand. It's where cozy movie nights begin and family gatherings unfold. This season, your TV stand decor can be just as magical as the rest of your home. From garlands and candles to mini trees and twinkle lights, it's time to turn your media console into a stylish holiday centerpiece that complements every frame of your favorite Christmas film. So grab your garlands, plug in the fairy lights, and let's transform your TV area into a festive scene worthy of the season. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your destination for stylish seasonal inspiration and creative decorating tips. In today's video, we're diving into TV stand Christmas decor ideas, showing you how to style your media console, entertainment center, and living room with festive flair. Whether you prefer classic elegance, cozy rustic charm, or a modern minimal look, these ideas will help your TV area shine this Christmas. Why should I decorate my TV stand for Christmas? The TV stand is often the focal point of the living room. It's where eyes naturally rest. Adding festive touches helps balance your overall decor and makes your living space feel complete, warm, and inviting. What's a simple way to decorate a TV stand for Christmas? Start with a garland draped across the top or around the TV frame. Add a few ornaments, candles, or fairy lights for a cozy glow. Keep it balanced by decorating both sides evenly. If you love simple yet stylish Christmas decor, hit like and share this video with your holiday-loving friends. What are some elegant TV stand Christmas decor ideas? Go for metallic tones like gold and silver. Add glass ornaments, white candles, and subtle twinkle lights for a sophisticated, high-end look. How can I make my entertainment center feel festive without clutter? Choose one focal point, like a small wreath, glowing lantern, or vase with pine branches, and surround it with minimal accents. Negative space lets your decor breathe and look intentional. Do you prefer minimal elegance or bold festive decor for your TV stand? Let us know in the comments below. How can I use garlands around my TV stand? Wrap garlands along the top shelf or drape them around the sides of your TV frame. Add fairy lights or ornaments for extra sparkle. For a modern touch, go with eucalyptus or frosted greenery. What are some rustic TV console Christmas decor ideas? Use natural textures like wood, burlap, and pine cones. Pair with plaid accents, small wooden trees, or farmhouse signs that read joy or believe. It creates a warm country Christmas vibe. Check out our rustic holiday decor playlist in the description for more farmhouse-inspired Christmas ideas. How can I style candles on my TV stand for Christmas? Cluster candles of varying heights in metallic holders or frosted glass. Mix LED flameless candles with real ones for safety and ambiance. The soft glow will frame your TV beautifully. What are modern TV stand decorating ideas for Christmas? Think clean and sleek, white garlands, black candle holders, and monochrome ornaments. Add a few statement pieces instead of many small ones for that minimalist designer look. Love modern and minimal Christmas decor? Hit subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly festive inspiration. How can I decorate below or around the TV area? Add mini Christmas trees or stack decorative gift boxes beside the stand. You can also place reindeer figures, lanterns, or baskets filled with pine cones for a cozy touch. How can I decorate a wall-mounted TV for Christmas? Use adhesive hooks to hang a light garland or a subtle wreath above the screen. You can also mount floating shelves for small ornaments and greenery without blocking the view. How can I incorporate lighting into my TV stand decor? LED fairy lights or battery-powered mini lanterns add a magical glow. Place them behind garlands or under shelves to softly illuminate your decorations without glare on the screen. What are cute and cozy holiday TV stand ideas for small spaces? Use compact elements, a tabletop tree, a few candles, or a garland with berries. The goal is warmth without crowding. Even one string of lights can make a small console feel festive. How can I decorate a large entertainment center for Christmas? Divide the space into sections. Each shelf can have a theme. Use wreaths, snow globes, and small figurines to create balance and visual interest. A few coordinated colors keep it cohesive. How can I make my TV area feel like a mantle alternative? Treat the top of your TV stand like a mantle. Add garlands, stockings, or even hanging ornaments. It creates that same festive focal point, even without a fireplace. How can I maintain a clean look while decorating around electronics? Keep wires hidden using cord covers or clips. Avoid glittery or shedding materials near electronics. Choose lightweight decor that's easy to remove when you need to switch things up. Your TV stand is more than just a place for your screen. It's the heart of your holiday living room decor. With the right blend of garlands, lights, and festive touches, it can feel cozy, stylish, and perfectly balanced. Whether your vibe is rustic, elegant, or modern minimalist, these TV stand Christmas decor ideas will make your home feel merry, bright, and ready for every holiday movie night. Love these TV stand Christmas decor ideas? Tap like and share this video to spread the festive joy. Which style do you love most? Rustic farmhouse, modern chic, or classic Christmas? Tell us below. Explore our living room and console decor playlist for more holiday styling ideas. Hit subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly festive and seasonal decorating inspiration. Watch our fireplace mantle, wall decor, and Christmas tree styling videos, linked in the description.